because something about that your song, your chi activated. It lit up your divine spark. Let me give you a real simple one. You're in the club. They play one song, you don't like it, but you get up and maybe you see a girl that you want to dance with, so you start dancing with them. But you're not dancing that well. Like you're not really in it because you don't like the song, right? You don't like the song. But what if the DJ now puts on like your song, right? All of a sudden you dance better. All of a sudden you're more charismatic. All of a sudden you look better, right? Why? Because something about that your song, your chi activated. It lit up your divine spark. That's what it is. So take it outside of that common example and move it into life. What we understand as far as Odinani is that people don't really put things in you. You just discover what's already in there. So when people start talking that healing, that esoteric, da 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 da, if you light up, odds are, yeah, that's you. I know I'm drawn to this stuff for a reason. I know, and it lights me up for a reason, and that reason is not to be ignored, right? You're in essence learning who you are. You're learning about yourself. You understand? You are meeting people who have found what their chi has for them. That's all it is. And they seem extraordinary because that's their thing, right? So that's really what it is, you know. That's really what it is.